Welcome to my YouTube channel Breaking News Today. Whereas if you want to get the breaking news today, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Daily Breaking News and press bell icon to get notifications of my videos. Whereas Madonna Comeback live, Queen of Pop's fans flood O2 Arena as celebration tour kicks off. And what an amazing and stunning performance that is from Madonna on her comeback. And I really enjoyed that performance, and for me that was a 10 out of 10 marks performance from Madonna. Check out guys, it is a must watch performance from Madonna as celebration tour kicks off.